Ugh. Hey y'all, I was just inside of a cell. It was like super gross in there. So, but I mean, it was kind of cool. Whoa, man, was that weird. Surprised it even got past the cell membrane. I mean, usually that regulates what comes in and out of the cell, but just let me in. Maybe because I'm a ninja. You know, it was pretty cool being able to see all these organelles function up close. I mean, I've heard about them before and I knew about them from biology class, but like seeing them that close, getting clotheslined by the cytoskeleton, which is usually known for holding the cell shape, not attempted murder. Murder aside, being able to see the powerhouse of the cell. Oh, not again! Anyways, the mitochondria just make all the energy for the cell and just sort of chill out. I originally thought it was inside the nucleus, but nah. It's around. It's around. Speaking of the nucleus, it's sort of a big control center in the middle of the cell, almost like its brain. It regulates and controls all the activities that the cell does and holds the genes and all that jazz. And there you have it. That's just a couple... Oh, hold on, I'm getting a call. Hello? What do you mean all of them? I thought we agreed on 4! Sorry about that. Had a little bit of a complication. Okay, I think this calls for a speed run. How many do we have left anyways? 13? I'm sorry? 12? Oh god. Inside of the nucleus lies the nucleolus, which makes ribosomes. Ribosomes are these little tiny things that make proteins and float out of the nucleolus and just hang out in the cytoplasm. Speaking of, the cytoplasm is this jelly-like substance that basically makes up the entirety of the cell. There's also these things called the ER, or endoplasmic rectus, the ER. There's 2 types of ER, one of them being the rough ER, which always has ribosomes on it and transports materials. And then there's the smooth ER, which doesn't have ribosomes on it and also transports materials, just like the other The way that the ER transport materials is these little things called vesiles, which come out of the ER with ribosomes or whatever they need to transport, and is sort of a, for lack of a better term, a storage sac. And there's also this thing called the Golgi apparatus, which changes proteins into different shapes and adds to protein strength. And then we also have these things called vacuoles, which are basically better vesiles. They're also sac-like structures, which are storage organelles. We also have lysosomes, which are basically janitors of the cell. They have enzymes which break down materials. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll, which helps with photosynthesis and stuff. And then there's the cell wall, which shapes, supports, and protects the cell, and is only found in plant cells. How many do we have left? Yeah!